Hey guys, welcome back. So today let's do some of these sparkly rosettes. They are so cute. I don't know why they remind me of Frozen for some reason. But super easy. And I love the whole glittering effect. So let's get started. I already made one. But we're gonna need, this is the glitter I'm using. I bought this at Michael's with a coupon. And this, I'm using this glue from Dollar Tree. It comes in a 3-pack. It's let's see, it's these right here. They're in the craft section and the whole pack is just $1. And I figure to glitter the sides, I'd rather use something kind of like cheapy and not use my good stuff. But this is actually pretty good. So that's what I'm gonna use. And of course your crepe paper. So let's just move that to the side. And let's get started. So basically, I leave my sheet connected to this thing. And I just start twisting. Oops. And bending and just keep turning it around, I guess. And just keep moving it and twisting it. And every time you do a little pinch, just move it like circling. Once I get to this part, I like to cut it. And then keep pinching, and then once you get here, I kind of just play with it until it's the way I want it. And then I staple it. And it looks like that. Let's try another one. So pinch and turn. And these things are so easy. Like, I've been doing rosettes like forever. It's just time consuming, I guess. But I guess once you get the hang of it, you can just go pretty fast. And you don't go crazy trying to make these perfect, because remember, you're putting stuff on top anyway. So it's not like it has to be like a perfect circle. Half the rosette is covered anyway, And you see how I cut maybe too much? I just lift it and kind of play with it. And that's it. And here we go. Staple. And that's what it looks like. Once you do that, I just take my glue and I just like gluing all the edges. I'm just gluing all the edges. And this little glue is actually pretty good, so I'm definitely buying more. It's perfect for this stuff. Stuff you don't want to like waste your good glue on. So once all the edges are wet, you take your glitter and then just go all around, tapping it while you go. And guys, that is it basically. And look how pretty. You see that? It just looks so stinking cute. And then just put it there to dry. And once they're dry, they look so adorable. This is all the bunch that I have made. I'm trying to pick this up without making a mess. And that is it. So have fun. Bye.